If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level where we are building concepts on vectors. So today we will continue our discussions on scalar triple product. We will see some of the applications of it, STP, some properties, and then we will also see vector triple product. Okay, then let's see this. What is the meaning of A cross B? If you take A, B, and if the angle is alpha, so what is A cross B? It is A, B sin alpha, then n cap. This is n cap, and your C is here. Suppose your C is here, so this is A cross B is A, B sin alpha, and this n cap. And if you dot this one, suppose this angle is theta, so it is magnitude of that one, that is A cross B, magnitude is A, B sin alpha, magnitude of this one C, and the angle between them cos theta. So theta is the angle between the perpendicular of AB and C, and alpha is the angle between A and B. So you have to be careful. This is AB, this is alpha, this is AB, so this is the alpha. Theta is the angle between A cross B, that is this perpendicular line, and then C. So this is the formula. And what is the volume of tetrahedron? Tetrahedron means it will be something like prism. The base is a triangle here, and you are rising at the same point. If you rise from same point, you can think of cone. Cone was 1/3, then area of the base into height. So it is 1/3 area of the base into height. Formula is this one. How it is coming, I am showing. 1/3 area of the base. Now the area, these are the, suppose these are the position vectors of that tetrahedron, base ABC. You can think, or these are coterminous edge also. This is 1H, 1H, 1H. So all are coterminous edge, or you can say all are the position vectors of the triangle which is forming the tetrahedron with the origin. So or you remember it, they are adjacent sides also, that is easy to remember. So what will be the area of this base? You know, the triangle two sides are given, so it is half A cross B, so half A cross B. And what is A cross B? That is perpendicular to this, and that makes an angle theta with C, so it will be C cos theta. So again, so half and 3/2 1/6, and A cross B, C cos theta is nothing but A cross B dot C, which is box ABC. So this is the formula for volume of tetrahedron. Now ABCD are the position vectors of four coplanar points. Point means their position vector is A vector, position vector is B vector, position is C vector. So if I told you if 4 points are coplanar, they are lying on coplanar, so you form these vectors. This is one vector. Joining 2 points, you can form a vector. Joining 2 points, how you will form a vector? B minus will this one. This will be C minus A. This will be D. So 3 vectors are coplanar. How I have solved it? Just now we have seen how to prove 3 vectors are coplanar. Box of all 3 equal to 0. B minus A, C minus A, and D minus A equal to 0. Now that's what I told you earlier. The dots and cross between vectors are interchangeable as long as the vector products are meaningful. That should be meaningful. That is, dot product and cross product should be meaningful. Suppose this is this one, which one we have already seen. So you can change these two. So that are meaningful because it is a vector that is dotted with another vector. Now this is also a vector that is dotted with another vector. So both, this is also meaningful, this is also meaningful. So this interchange is possible. So suppose this one, this is a vector dotted with another vector. So now again you can interchange this dot and cross. So you can see this is a vector crosses with another vector. Okay, will give me another vector. That vector will be dotted with another vector. So this is also meaningful. So this interchange is also possible. Now product of two boxes. Suppose box ABC, product of box PQR. Now this one, box ABC is this determinant we know. So that is multiplied with this determinant. Now how determinants are multiplied? Those who have studied matrix, they know the rows and columns are generally get multiplied in case of matrix. This into this, then this into this, then this into this. Next we go for this into this. But in determinant, the product is not like that. Determinant, it is row. First it's multiplied by this row, then this row, then this row. That is the product in determinant. If you want to multiply two determinant. So if you take product these and these, so it is nothing but A dot P, you can see. A1, A2, A3 is the vector of A, B1, B2, B3 is the vector of B, C1, C2, C3 is the vector component of C. Similarly PQR. So it is nothing but A dot P, next is A dot Q, next is A dot R. Next is B dot P, next is B dot Q, B dot C dot P, C dot Q, C dot R. So you can remember it this way. A dot P, A dot Q, A dot R. Then B dot P, B dot Q, B dot R. C dot P, C dot Q, C dot R. So like you can remember. So if it is ABC whole square box, then you can do it in same way. ABC, mod product of ABC. So A dot A dot B, A dot C. B dot A, B dot B, B dot C, then C dot A, C dot B, C dot C. So you can remember it this way. This can also be proved. It is box of, I am not going to prove it. If you can expand, then it will be proved. It is nothing but box ABC, box A cross B cross C, and C cross A. So order you have to remember, it is ABC. So you have to maintain that order, A cross B cross C, and then C cross A. Now if it is A plus B, C, D box, then you can, that is nothing but A plus B dot C cross D. So if you can, because dot is distributive, so it is A dot C cross D and B dot C cross D. It is nothing but ACD plus BCD. So you can say it is nothing but ACD and then BCD. So you can directly open it, ACD then BCD. Now suppose some lambda A into lambda ABC. So lambda you can take out of this box. So it is box ABC. Simple product. Because lambda is the product of any row. So from any row determinant you can take common lambda. Suppose it is box AB plus BC plus CA. So again same way you can do it. ABC, then ABA, then ACC, then ACA. You can expand all this. So all these will be 0 because 2 same, it is 0. If two vectors are same in box, then it is output is 0. You have seen already. So ultimately you will get one ABC and one BCA, which is also ABC. BCA and ABC are same because it is maintained in the same cycle, ABC and BCA. So same. Both are moving clockwise. So it is twice ABC. So you can remember it, or you can split using this one. So it will be, first one will be ABC, next one will be ABA, next will be ACC, next will be ACA. So with A it is done. Now with B, BBAC, BBC, then BBA, then BCC, then BCA. So those who are repeating as that will be automatically 0. Now what is this one? A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. So like this, if you open it, you will get all these are 0. All these in betweens will be 0. It will be ABC, then next one will be minus BCA. So ABC and BC will be same. So here it will be 0. So it is A minus B, B minus C, C minus A if it is 0. So it is not like that. If you see this one, don't get confused with this one. This is different. These are the 3 vectors. T was there. These are the position vectors. And these were the 4-point coplanar. And this is only vectors ABC. Any vector. So if you say box ABC was this one, I told you it was sin alpha is the angle between A and B, theta is the angle between normal of AB and then C. So what will be its maximum value? Why it is box ABC. And when it will be maximum? When is alpha is equal to 90. That means AB should be perpendicular to each other. So box cross AB is maximum. And then theta. So you C should be also perpendicular to this. If all 3 are mutually perpendicular, then it is maximum. Because in that case, the angle between this perpendicular of AB and C is 0. Because if C is here and the perpendicular of AB is also here, so the angle between these two is 0. Now next one is vector triple product. What is vector triple product? If ABC are 3 non-null vector, then A cross B cross C is a vector triple product. Here you have to be careful which one cross you are doing earlier, because it can be also A cross B then C, so both will not be the same. So vector triple product of ABC. So A cross B cross C is not equal to A cross B cross C. So here the order matters, in which order you are doing the cross products. Now you can find it, you write ABC, you cross it, then you take cross with A. Ultimately what you will get? Something like this. So this is the formula of vector triple product. We use this formula. How to remember this one? I generally remember it this way. First you take care of the person who is farthest to you. So who is at farthest distance from A? C. So you take care with C. So A dot C. Then side, just it is not dot cross anything because it is scalar. So scalar multiplied by vector. So it will be next B. Next you take care of B. So it will be A dot B, C. And in between there will be minus. So you can remember first the farthest one, then the closest one. So VTB across B lies in the plane. So you can see this VTB because it is a vector of B and C. It is combination of B, C, you can see. So anything V and C combination means 2B plus C or B plus C or B minus C. That is will be in the, suppose this is B, this is C. So something 2B will be something little bit more than this one. Suppose it was B, it was C. So 2B will be this one, 3C will be this one. So 2B minus 3C will be this vector, which is at the plane of where B and C lies. That is the base. Or if it is added also, then what will be this vector? This will be this one. If it is B, if it is C, then the addition will be this one. Suppose this is B, this is C. So if you subtract, you will get this one. So all are at same plane. So BC, So that blue lines comes on the plane where BC lies. If it is sum, if it is suppose negative, then also you will get this vector. If you do some combination of BC addition, you will get some. It can be longer, it can be smaller, but direction will be same. So this is on the same plane where BC is lying. So VTP lies on the plane containing B and C. Now if you write simply A cross B cross C, it is misleading. You don't know which one should be done first. So this doesn't make any sense. In VTP you have to mention the bracket. A cross B, B cross C, or B cross C cross A, or C cross A cross B is 0. You can prove it if you expand it in this way. If you expand all three, that you can see it is cancelled. So I am not doing it. Or if you want to do it, it will be AC dot B minus AB C, or then plus BA dot C. You can see this is cancelled, minus BCA, then plus CBA, which is, you can see it is cancelled. Last one is CAB. So you can say all these are cancelled, so it is 0. Similarly, I cross A cross I, that is VTP of IAI, JAI, J, and KJ, K is also A. You can also prove it using these methods. A is your A1, A2, A3, A1I, A2J, A3K. So if I expand the first one simply for you, it will be I dot I, then A, then minus I dot A, I. Now what is this one? I dot I is 1, that is A. And what is this one? This is nothing but A1I. So similarly you will get here A minus A2J, A minus A3K. So A, 3A, and this A1, A2, A3 also make 1A. So 3A minus A will give you 2A. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.